Example 1 says, draw the correct position of negative 1/3 on the number line. So on this number line we have negative 1 to 1. So our question is, where does negative 1/3 lie? So if we notice, in between 0 and 1 we have 3 lines. So that means we're going to break up 1 into thirds. So this is 1/3. This is 2/3. And when we go over here, this is negative 1/3. And this is negative 2/3. You just have to know how many numbers are in between 0 and this. It looks like there's 2, but really you want to count that 1 as well. There's 3. So that's how I knew to break it up into thirds. And it wants us to plot negative 1/3, and it's right here. So I'm going to put a dot right here. And there you go. And then for example 2, it says, draw the opposite of negative 1.5 on the number line. So let's draw negative 1.5 first. We'll do that in purple. So in between 0 and 1, in between 0 and 1, I have 2 marks. So I'm going to break this up into 1/2. So 1/2 equals 0.5. Sometimes they use fractions, sometimes they use decimals. So we're going to do one of each. So this is 0.5. So I'm do it in a different color. 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. And then going backwards, it's the other. Same thing, but just with negatives. 0.5, negative 1.5, negative 2.5. So we want to know the opposite of negative 1.5. So here's 1.5 on our number line. We want the opposite. And the opposite would just mean the positive version. So we're going to say minus to positive. So the opposite of negative 1.5 is positive 1.5. So we've put a dot at 1.5. Here's our answer. That's the opposite of negative 1.5. And that's all we have for this video.